Hello Bladers! Ever wondered if your action camera can be a good substitute for a dashcam? Or should you just get a separate dashcam for your car? Welcome to our Daily Drive. Everyday tips for everyday drivers. If you are not subscribed yet, you are missing out. Can you use your action cameras as dashcams? Technically, yes, because both can record what's on the road. Each product has their own features, but here are some that might be useful or not when deciding to do this. Action cameras, though rugged and made for outdoor sports, sometimes lacks features that are common for dash cameras. First, an action camera must always be manually turned on if you want to use it as a dash cam. Second, price-wise, this is a more expensive choice compared to a dash cam. Third, it doesn't come with an intelligent parking mode. The intelligent parking mode enables dash cams to keep recording even if the car is parked. Fourth, action cameras are built for extreme sports. However, they're not built to withstand extreme temperatures like dash cams mounted on dashboards. Fifth, it automatically deletes old recordings to have space for the new ones. Lastly, in case you leave it in your car, potential thieves can see it and break into your car. Next thing we want to talk about is what you can expect from a dash cam. Here are some features of dash cams that are important for your safety. First, with dash cams, there is no need to remove them every time you have to leave the vehicle. It is usually mounted on your windshield and it's left there. With action cameras, chances are, you take them along with you because you're going to use it for your personal video recordings too. Second, dash cams turn on automatically and begin recording once you start the car. Third, it's definitely cheaper compared to action cameras. Fourth, it comes with intelligent parking mode. The dashcam keeps recording even if you've already left the vehicle. Aside from having looped recording, dashcams can detect when you have been into an accident via motion detection. It then switches to protection mode recording, which locks and saves your video file. You can be confident that the video recording is safe for you to use after an accident. Check out a wide variety of dash cameras at blade.ph online. Do you agree with the features we have mentioned? Or did we miss anything? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better.